cafe where we make everything science, technology, engineering, mathematics easy to comprehend, assimilate, fun, entertaining. And that is why, because we know that once your interest is high, you will get everything easily. I will try to work up the interest of anybody that studies with us. I'd like you to also know that we have classes that you can join if you are just entering, if you have exams ahead of you, matriculating examination and A levels as well. Join the class and you see. You can even see from the little we have done on the YouTube what other things you can gain from the class. Thank you very much. You can see that our subscribers are improving. We are also appealing to you to subscribe if you have not subscribed, because you can see far more people watch than the subscribers. So please, so that you'll be first among the people that partake whenever we drop any of our teachings online. Share, make comments, like, please, and then let others know about STEM Cafe. Thank you for motivating us, encouraging us. You can also have, if you have questions or you want any topic to be treated in this, we can do. Yeah, we have this. Evaluate using logarithm. 7.983 times square root of 44.55. Yeah. 44.55. All raised to power 3. All raised to power 3. Now, what do? We make a table for our work to be neat. We have numbers. The numbers we are going to work with. We have 7.983, 7.983. Let's find the logarithm of that. That is 9020. So we have 0.9020. Sorry, this is the logarithm. Now, that part, we have 44.55. We cannot add it directly. Why don't we make the log of this one and put it in so that we can bring our final answer to this side? So let's find the log of this one. You can see it is 44.55. So this character side will be 1. So 44.5, 6489. 6489. So let's divide this one by 2. What does it give? It gives 0.8245 approximately. So this is the square root of 44.55. That one is, this is the square root of this one. Now, the product is the sum of the log of the product is the sum of the log of each. Now this is going to give me 5, 6, 2, 7.1. So this is the log of the product of this, that is 7.983 times square root of 44.55. Now, to find the log of this raised to power 3, I have to multiply this one by 3. I have to multiply this one by 3. The cube of this one will be this one times 3. And that's going to give me 5, 9, 7, 1, 5. Now, the antilog of this is now 1.510 times 10 raised to power 5. So this is the final answer of that expression. Now the question states, evaluate using logarithm. Square root of 838.2 0.0384. So straightforward, that one is easy. So we can easily do that one by saying number log. We have 838.2. And that one we have 0.0384. Please, depending, this one might be different from this one, as in the root. This one can be cube, this one can be square root. You might need to do them separately, like we are doing when we come to this one. You might need to do them separately, but for ease, and this one too, you can do it separately, depending on how easy it will be like. Or maybe I should do it separately, so that you will find it easy. No, we don't even need to. So in your practice, you can do it separately. Let's quickly do this one out. Let's work it out. So this one is going to be 2 points. This one is going to be about 2 points. You can see. This one is about 2. This one is 2. Now, let's quickly look at the logarithm for each. The first one is 83 under 8 difference 2. 83 under 8 difference 2. That is 9233. 9233. 384. 38 under 4. That is 5843. 5843. Please note, as you are doing this thing, you must have confidence that you know what you are doing. That's why you need to practice very well. Since we are multiplying, let's add. We have 6, 7, 0, 15. We are bringing one from this place to this place. This one cancels this one, so we have 1. That is, we are working the numerator. We have the square root to handle now. So we have divided by 2. And the answer is, 8.3.2 times 0.0384. So the square root is going to be this one divided by 2. So what does that give us? It gives us 0.7538. So we have worked out the numerator. Let's now go to the denominator. The denominator is 53.49. We are going to find the fifth root. So to make it neat, so that we'll be able to work out here, let's quickly do it here. The logarithm of this is 1.5349. 7282. 7282. 7282. We are finding the fifth root. So which means we are going to divide by 5. So what does that give us? It's going to be 0.3 in 22 4, in 28 5, in 32 6. Yeah. Since we are dividing by this, we have to subtract this one from this one. So what does that give us? It's giving us 2, 8, 1, 0, 4, 0. But note, we are going to raise this one to the power of 3. So at the end of the day, we are going to multiply this one by 3. 0.0384 divided by 5349 all cubed. You can see. So we are multiplying by 3 now because we have to raise it to power 3. So the logarithm is this one by 3. So now let's do it. This is 6, 4, 2. So this is 12. So our final answer will be the antilog of 1.2, antilog of 22 under 4 difference 6. 22 under 4 difference 6. So that is 1677. 1.677 times 10 raised to the power 1. So that's approximately 16.77. So that is the final answer to this one. So I just allowed you to see how we can work this out. If this one is, we are going to find the cube root of this one. You know what we'll do? We have to change this one to power 3 plus 1 point, and then we find it out. Is that clear? Please take note.